Imagine waking up every day without worrying about bills, debt, or stress. What if you could build wealth that works for you? In this video, we'll unlock the financial strategies and mindset shifts that can help you create the life of financial freedom you've always dreamed of. If you're ready to start your journey, let's dive in. To build wealth, you need to change the way you think about money. The richest people don't just focus on earning, they focus on keeping and growing what they have. If you believe that money is scarce, you'll always struggle to make more. But when you see money as a tool for creating opportunities, everything changes. The key to wealth begins in the mind. It's time to start thinking with abundance, believing that there's always more than enough to go around. Let's talk about habits. The wealthiest people in the world didn't just wake up rich. They built their success through habits that made them masters of money. Here are 3 habits you can start practicing right now. 1. Track your spending. Analyzing where your money goes is the first step toward controlling it. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook to track every expense. 2. Pay yourself first. Every time you receive income, pay yourself first. Set aside money for savings and investments before you spend on anything else. It's a habit that ensures wealth building. 3. Always be learning. The rich understand the value of knowledge. Whether it's reading financial books, following experts, or learning about investing, never stop improving your money skills now. Let's move from mindset and habits to action. How do you make your money work for you? Start thinking about passive income and smart investments. Here are a few options to consider. 1. High-interest savings account. Start by building an emergency fund in a high-interest account. This way, your money is earning while you sleep. 2. Real estate is a proven way to build long-term wealth. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income, and they often appreciate over time. 3. The stock market is where the rich make their money grow. Start small, educate yourself, and invest in stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs. 4. Create passive income, whether it's through a digital product, a blog, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Passive income is one of the best ways to build wealth over time. If you're loving this content and are ready to change your financial future, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing tips that can help you achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who needs a little motivation to start building their wealth. Financial setbacks happen to everyone, even the wealthiest people. The key is resilience. Here's how you can bounce back stronger when you face challenges. 1. Have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your safety net. It allows you to weather financial storms without sinking into debt. 2. Stay calm and assess when things go wrong. Take a deep breath, assess the situation, and come up with a strategy to move forward. 3. Reevaluate your strategies. If something isn't working, it's time to adjust. Whether it's revising your budget or learning new investment strategies, always be willing to evolve. Building wealth takes time, but with the right strategies, you'll be well on your way. The key to long-term wealth is consistency. Invest consistently, learn every day, and focus on building multiple streams of income. It won't happen overnight. But the small steps you take today will pay off for years to come. Now, as we wrap up, I want to remind you it's all about taking that first step. Building wealth is a journey, and it's not always easy, but it's possible for anyone willing to commit. You don't have to wait for the perfect time. Start now. Even small actions today can create a ripple effect that leads to big results down the road. Whether you're saving a little more each month, investing in your first stock, or learning something new about money, every step counts. Success comes from persistence, and with the right mindset and consistent effort, you will reach your financial goals. So take control of your financial future today. Stay focused, stay committed, and remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep pushing forward, and you will see the results. Remember, financial freedom is a choice you make today. Start taking action, develop your mindset, and commit to growing your wealth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how you can unlock your financial potential. Together, we'll make your dreams a reality.